So students, as in the previous video, I already told you about some details about water and air. I hope it was clear to everyone. Now I'm going to tell you about how we can save these things. Means how we can save water. You all know that in our earth, full earth or half of the earth is covered with the water, but very little amount of water is used to be drink, and very less amount of water is to be used by the human or the living beings. So we have to save it, because nowadays many peoples or humans were wasting it like they throw garbages in the rivers, so that the river water is only the water that we can use to drink. So we don't have to make it dirty. Okay, like this we just save the water, like turn off the taps not in when not in use. Getting leaky pipes and taps should be repaired. Collecting rainwater and use it for many other purposes like watering plants, cleaning car, cleaning utensils, many of the ways. So you have to save it. Air. How we can save air? Like if we don't burn garbage out in open, then it should be safe. Planting more trees, walking short distance instead of walking with the car and the scooter. Just use your feet to move, or use a bicycle to move from one place to another for the short distance. And if we inhale dirty air, we might fall sick. So we have to take fresh air. Fresh air is with the trees, with the plants. So we have to plant more trees, so that air should be clean, and while we going to inhale, it will brings us fresh. So we have to save air also, or we have to keep it clean. Now we are moving forward to the exercises of lesson number 13, and after that I will explain you this lesson. So open your page number 80. So I'm going to tell you about circle the correct options. Okay. So exercise A. Plants are flat or highlands. Sorry, plains. So plains are the flatlands. Put the date over here. Lotus have broad leaves. Okay. Desert plants store water in their stems. Pine and fir trees, they were the trees having needle shaped leaves. It's given over here, pine tree and the fir tree. Okay, these having the leaves that is just like needle. Trees growing on a mountains are cone shape. These were the trees that are available on mountains, so it is having cone shape. That is why the answer is cone shaped. Okay. Now we are proceeding to the next exercise, that is exercise B. Put the date over here, 25th. Okay. Give answer in one word. Farmer grow food crops in. Where farmer used to grow crops, they will grow crops in the plains, because they were the flatlands and it's very useful for the farmers to grow crop. A plant growing in water. What plant is growing in water? Many of the plants, but you have to write only one, so write lotus. Okay, because it is given over here, water plant that bears beautiful flowers. Okay, so lotus is the answer. A plant in the desert. Desert have cacti or cactus. You all know about this. Okay. A plant growing on the mountains. I already told you they were found on mountain, so you can write only one, so I just write fir or pine, whichever you like, you just write over here. These were the two exercises that I had done. You just do it in your book only. Okay, now your homework, you have to draw hot air balloon in copy of lesson 12. Okay, you have to do this in your copy.